about data retention, uh, we did talk about a user having a checkbox. We gave an example of social media account
Yes,
where
yes.
we do not want to continue using the business, or I do not want to continue using the social media account. In such
Hmm.
scenarios, the data retention policy plays a very major role. Here,
Hmm.
the user should be provided with two options for any user, be it a
Hmm.
ongoing user or be it a new user. For
Hmm.
ongoing users, the user should have the privilege to anytime go under the settings tab and then say that opt me out of this information. I do not want to continue receiving your subscriptions or new ads or any SMS. I do not want to continue. So
Hmm.
that is the opt-out functionality. Another thing
Yeah.
is opt-in functionality. Now,
Okay.
not all end users are getting annoyed by these SMS or ads. There may be some
Hmm.
genuine end users who would
Hmm.
make use of this information and they would be selling it down the line. For
Hmm.
example, suppose I have a cloth shop. I uh,
Hmm.
I would like to see the ads on new cloths that have come. New type of materials that have come, and
Okay.
then through that I could improve my business. I could have a win-win situation. That is where opt-in opt-out also plays a major role in data retention. And when I say opt-out, then there should be a hard delete of all my information. Now I
Hmm.
am an annoyed user. I don't want to do business with that particular website. I simply
Hmm.
come and I click on opt-out, delete my data
Hmm.
permanently. Then there
Hmm.
has to be a provision in your web application wherein my data is permanently deleted from your database and all the subsequent links. Suppose you are sharing my data with your third party vendors, those
Hmm.
details needs to be deleted. You are sharing my
Okay.
data with some banking customers, their data needs to be deleted. So
Hmm.
everywhere in the chain, my data needs to be deleted. For end user, it doesn't matter where all my data has gone through, but his
Hmm.
only
So
focus would be.
are so everything you have said, and you have talked about a lot of different factors and a lot of different instances and examples you have given. So are the users, if my data has been breached, or if are the users being aware about those activities?
Hmm. So for this, the user has got multiple options. First thing
Hmm.
is the user himself has to do a research, which may or may not be feasible for everyone. If people are using smartphones, they are connected to the
Hmm.
internet, they
Hmm.
know how to go and search for the latest breach. They could go to the internet and they could search. Suppose I'm dealing with any, means I have an account with any social media account. I could
Hmm.
simply go to any browser and I could search with that social media account name and search for latest security breach,
Hmm.
giving that vendor name. And there they will be able to see when the latest security breach happened. The second thing would
Uh-huh.
be the service provider themselves reaching out to the customers, or they make the information public, or it could be through newspapers or any other social media that they
Hmm.
get to know that there has been a breach happened on such and such a
Yeah, it
vendor.
is, they have to really make the breaches public. For any company, if they are complying with all the laws, they if some sort of a breach has happened, unintentionally also, inadvertently, then also the companies would really have to go on with a public announcement, or
Yeah,
a
there are
declaration
laws
that
where. Hmm.
yes,
There
go
are
ahead.
laws where they say and they enforce that if there is any breach has happened, you need to publicize it. But
Hmm.
sometimes, suppose mine is a very small company, people
Hmm.
would think that mine is a small company. Let's not make a huge mess of it, or else we would be losing customers. We
Hmm.
already get hardly 1 crore per annum. I don't want
Yeah.
to impact my. So there would be such mindsets also wherein the service provider may not come forward, or
Hmm.
they are very much concerned about losing their business, their customers, the impact to their business and revenue also plays a major role, right? So not
Hmm.
everyone are very much open-hearted where they would say that, okay, my company has got a breach of 20 crores, so all my
Hmm.
customer data is being publicized. So not many will come forward to
Hmm.
publicize those. So in such
Hmm.
cases, is where the consumers themselves have to go and learn about these data breach, or they need to wait
Hmm.
for someone to
Yes.
make it public.